Good, wonderful morning, everybody. It's cold, my hands are frozen. It's husky weather. So I haven't got any water with me today. I think winter is upon us. Last week it was mid-30s. This week it's 12 degrees. What amazing how much change a week makes. I don't want you going back there, sweetie. I don't know what's there. We're walking along the New England Highway, which is the main, well, the highway between Sydney and Townsville for us. There's two highways. This is the inland highway, and there's another highway which is coastal highway, which is what most people take. Not many people would take the New England highway. No, sweetie. Bread. Somebody's got some bread there. And on this walk, I've never seen so many abandoned houses. Something in this, wagging. Why are you wagging your tail? There's lots of bowls that are falling down from, this is a primary school. So years 1 to 7 usually. And I say they've got some wayward bowls in that bush. Yeah, so I see so many abandoned, boarded up houses. Actually, we might cross the road. Here's an interesting car yard for you car collectors and car lovers. An old Cadillac limousine. What do they call these things? A formal limousine? So we've got a Biscayne. What's that? Impala. A Vet. An old Chevy. A newer Chevy, and about the same age, well, a bit newer again. Lincoln from California. A new Chevy has been converted to right-hand drive. Don't worry about the Commodore. Chevy Deluxe, 40 grand for it. Another Chevy Deluxe for 40 grand, coupe. This one doesn't have a sticker on it. Tobos F350. Converted right-hand drive, and a BMW we're not too worried about. Yeah, so these ones, looks like they've got an import business going from California, although that one's Oregon. Registered last year. Falcon Ute. A restored Chevy. So that's C10. Yeah, you guys will be able to tell me. There you go, interesting.